Alrighty, I'm about to show y'all how to achieve the foiling method without the glue, the foil glue. This is the foil we're gonna be using. I don't use this one, so that's why we're using it. But anyway, everybody say you need foil glue or gel polish. Excuse my baby, she's back here talking. Anyway, gel polish or something like that. You don't need that. You can use regular polish and a regular top coat, not a fast drying top coat, but a regular top coat. What I am going to be using is the Gel Effect by Nina Ultra Pro. We're going to be using that. And then we're going to be using C&D Creative Clay. This color is Navy Brat. So I did it on this fingernail, and it's dry and it's smooth and it's pretty. I love it. And I also did it on mine. That's what prompted me to make this video. But we're just going to go ahead and get started. We don't want it to be too long. We're going to use a regular top coat like I said. So we're going to go ahead and get these. Oh, one thing I want to say before I start is the foil. Sorry, I'm getting a phone call. One moment. Yay! Kala. You want to get some alcohol on a paper towel and wipe it off, or you can spray it. I use a spray bottle. I sprayed it and then I wiped it off. Once you wipe it off, it adheres better. So you want to make sure you wipe it off, and it's 91% isopropyl alcohol. So you spray it and you just wipe the back off where you're going to be sticking the foil. My side is copper, like a copper color. That's the side that you want to wipe off, not the design side. You want to wipe off the dull side. Please stop. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and paint a nail here. And we're just going to do one coat, but just for the video purposes, we just do one coat. It's pretty dark. C&D is pretty good. At the max with C&D, you'll need 2 coats, but nah, not more than that, because C&D is really good. So we just wait for that to dry. Please stop. Thank you. Please stop. Thank you. We just wait for that to dry. Like I said, we're going to achieve this look on this finger. Isn't that pretty? This one right here. It's pretty. Yeah, you can see I just touched it. It doesn't rub off or anything. It's coated with that top coat, that same top coat, and it doesn't rub off. And I've had mine on for maybe 2 or 3 days, and I have 4 kids, and I have to do everything every day, all day, wash hands, everything, and it hasn't come off. So this method really works. My baby, she's playing with her little brother. I'm just gonna touch it, see if it's dry, and it's dry enough. So I'm gonna put the top coat on. She's 2. And I'm blowing it. That's why you see the foil moving. But I want to make this video because everybody's like, you need foil glue, you need Elmer's glue, you need all this stuff to make it adhere. No, you don't. And you don't have to use gel polish. You can use regular polish. I'm all about budget, but when it comes to my nails, I'll do what I need to do. But if I find something else works, then I like to share it with other people. For real. Because if we can all cut down on time while doing nails, you know, we can cut down on time. Of course, gel polish is going to be quicker because you have the UV light. But, I mean, if somebody wants regular polish and they want foil, then you can still do this for them. Let me see, it's dry enough. It dries pretty quick. So, like I said, I already wiped that off, so I'm not going to do it again. And I've already used some of the foil, as you can see on the other fingernail. But we're just going to apply a little bit on here. You just push down, rip up. Push down, lift up. Push down, lift up. Wherever you want it to go, you just push it down, lift it up. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Let me turn the hand. Look at that. Oh, it's so freaking pretty. And you do not need any foil glue. This is a regular top coat. You paint the nail, put a top coat on that nail, do the foil, and another top coat. You do not need any foil glue. Look at that. We're done. You can do all the fingers like that, one finger like that. I mean, it doesn't even matter. But y'all see that? I don't know if there's too much of a glue on it or not. Bless you. Bless you. Look at her. That's my other children out here in the background. Unfortunately, I can't record like everybody else with dead silence. Like I said, I'm a mother. So, it's not going to be dead silence. Excuse me. And we're going to be done. And all we used is this Gel Effect by Nina Ultra Pro. That's it, a regular top coat. You cannot use fast drying top coat. It's a regular top coat. And if you want information of where I got the foils from or what have you, I have the information pinned below. But yeah, just like, subscribe. Only have a few subscribers. We want this channel to grow. But like, subscribe, and share it. Regular foils. And it works with regular top coat. You guys subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you like it. About to go. If you guys want any other ideas or any reviews or anything like that, just comment below and I'll get to them.